Jotije orko jolo e osiptal maduong' ma Bungoma kod Kimilili ne obago ng'anyo ka gibandho chudogi ma giwacho ni osedeko kuom thuolo mar dweche auchiel. Jotijego wacho ni sirkand kaunti ma Bungoma tugo kodgi tuk paka goyieyo kata kobedo ni gisetieko winjruok mar tich. Giwacho ni ngimagi osebedo matek maonge osara ka idwaro ni gichwalo chenro magi makare ne jopiny kata bed ni gikale pek mathoth. Jatend migawo mar thieth e kaunti ma Bungoma Caroline Halai to wacho ni gitemo matek mar neno ni jotije ochul mapiyo mondo gidogi e tich.
Comes with missing your salary for 6 months. You have a family you have to provide for. You have to feed. You have to pay your rent. You have to pay all your dues. And as we signed, according to our contract, the contract that we signed, we are supposed to be paid after every 30 days.
Tulikuwa tumepromisiwa contract lakini wali shortlist wale watu wachache alafu wengine wakaachwa nje. Hatujui tunaenda wapi kutoka hapa. Kila siku wanatuambia watatulipa pesa lakini hatujaiona hiyo pesa. Tunataka watulipe pesa yetu yote alafu watuelekeze tunaenda wapi kutoka hapa.
Wanatuambia kuwa pesa zetu ati haziko. Wanataka kusema watupatie 2 months na hizi miezi 4 zinaenda wapi? Kila siku tuna strike. Without strike hawezi kupata pesa zetu.
The agreement was after July, we will be given letters of appointment. We will be given by the County Public Service Board. We will be given letters. We will be given personal numbers, and from there will be no salary delay. But that was just a word to take us back to work for them and suffer there.